So now in this question number 11, NCl3 reacts with water. Now NCl3, most likely N as a lone pair, reacts with water to make ammonia and HClO. Which statement, in this case, the oxidation state of hydrogen does not change? If I look at that, and I know H is always plus 1, so N must be minus 3. So if N is minus 3, each Cl is what? Plus 1. And in HClO, it's also plus 1. So it is not a redox reaction, this one, because nothing seems to change its oxidation state.
Quick pause. If you're finding value in this explanation, there's so much more to discover at Alt Academy, where we break down every A-level concept with the same clarity. Now back to the video lesson.
Because if each nitrogen is minus 3 in both cases, then relatively, if H is plus 1, here Cl is plus 1. And in HClO, if H is plus 1 and O is minus 2, then Cl has to be plus 1. So Cl's oxidation state doesn't change, and oxygens are always minus 2, and Cl's in this case is, and Na is, sodium is minus, nitrogen is minus 3. So nitrogen minus 3, chlorine plus 1, nothing really changed. So yeah, hydrogen is plus 1 here and plus 1 here. And that's the rule for hydrogen. Unless it's a hydrazine, it will always stay plus 1. So here the answer is delta.
Hey there! If you found this A-level chemistry lesson helpful, why don't you head over to our website, altacademy.org, where you can sign up for the full A-level chemistry course. In addition to chemistry, you can sign up for physics, biology, math, or 4 other A-level subjects. Thousands of students have already taken the leap. What are you waiting for?